بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you students? Hope you all were good with the grace of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Students, I am here for you again to teach you social studies, and today we will start the third lecture, which is of unit number 1, and the topic is families. So please turn your page number 3rd. Look at the topic families, and we have discussed about Mr. Habib Ali family, that Mr. Habib Ali is living in the countryside, and Mr. Raza Ali is son of Mr. Habib Ali, and Mr. Habib Ali family members came for his birthday to his house, and I have given you homework also, that you will send me your family members' names. And today, okay students, look at this. Here is written on page number 3rd. Here is a picture of Ali family. Look at this line. Here is a picture of Ali family. Can you see Mr. Habib Ali? This is the picture. Look at the picture. Here is a picture of the Ali family. This is the picture of the Ali family. Can you see Mr. Habib Ali? Anybody knows where is Mr. Habib Ali? Yes, he is Mr. Habib Ali. Look at the picture. He is Mr. Habib Ali. Here is a plan of the Ali family. It is called a family tree. Here is a plan of the Ali family. It is called a family tree. These are the members of Ali family, and यहाँ पे अली के फैमिली के जितने भी अफराद हैं उनका एक खाका बनाया गया है, जिसको फैमिली ट्री कहा जाता है. And look at this family tree, which is on page number 3rd. Before discuss this, I would like to show you the family tree. Okay students, look at this family tree. This is an example for you. Before discussing page number 3rd, family tree, I would like to discuss this. And look at this. This is family tree of the Ali family. This is family tree of the Ali family. Look at here students. He is Mr. Habib Ali. He is Mr. Habib Ali, and look at this picture. She is Mrs. Habib Ali. He is Mr. Habib Ali, and she is Mrs. Habib Ali. Is it clear to you? Who is he? He is Mr. Habib Ali. And who is she? She is Mrs. Habib Ali. Now students, look at this picture. She is Tehmeena, and he is Mr. Raza Ali. Mr. Raza Ali is son of Mr. Habib Ali, and Mr. Habib Ali is father of Tehmeena. Tehmeena and Raza Ali are brother and sister. Clear? Now he is Imran, and she is Zainab Ali. Now Anam and Yasser. Father is Mr. Raza Ali and Mahmood Ahmad and Zahra. Father is Imran. Tehmina is mother of Mahmood Ahmad and Zahra, and Zainab Ali is mother of Anam and Yasser. Raza Ali and Zainab Ali are parents of Anam and Yasser, and Tehmina and Imran are parents of Mahmood Ahmad and Zahra. Mahmood Ahmad, Zahra, Anam and Yasser are cousins. Anam and Yasser, Mahmood Ahmad and Zahra are cousins. Mr. Habib Ali is grandfather of Anam and Yasser, and Mrs. Habib Ali is grandmother of Anam and Yasser. Mr. Habib Ali is father of Raza Ali and Tehmina, and Mrs. Habib Ali is mother of Tehmina and Raza Ali. This is the family tree of Ali family. Look at Mr. Habib Ali and Mrs. Habib Ali, father and mother of Tehmina and Raza Ali, and Tehmina and Imran are parents of Mahmood Ahmad and Zahra. Raza Ali and Zainab Ali are parents of Anam and Yasser. Anam and Yasser, Mahmood Ahmad and Zahra are cousins. Mr. Habib Ali is grandfather of Anam and Yasser, and Mrs. Habib Ali is grandmother of Anam and Yasser. Mr. Habib Ali is father of Tehmina and Raza Ali, and Mrs. Habib Ali is mother of Tehmina and Raza Ali. This is the family tree of Ali family. I hope students it will clear to you. If you have any problem, you can ask questions. Now students, come again on page number 3. As we have discussed about the family tree in our family tree model, and we have discussed there. So here you also look at the picture. Here is Mr. Raza Habib Ali family picture, and this is the family tree as we have discussed this before, but let to discuss it again. Look at Mr. Habib Ali. He is written, and Mrs. Habib Ali, parents of Tehmina and Raza Ali. Parents of Tehmina and Raza Ali. Mr. Habib Ali and Mrs. Habib Ali, parents of Tehmina and Raza Ali. Here is Imran and Zainab Ali. Zainab Ali and Raza Ali are parents of Yasser and Anam. And Tehmina and Imran are parents of Mahmood Ahmad and Zahra. Mahmood, Ahmad, Zahra, Anam and Yasser are cousins. Mr. Habib Ali is father of Tehmina and Raza Ali, and Mrs. Habib Ali is mother of Tehmina and Raza Ali. Tehmina is mother of Mahmood Ahmad and Zahra, and Imran is father of Mahmood Ahmad and Zahra. Raza Ali is father of Anam and Yasser, and Zainab Ali is mother of Anam and Yasir. Mr. Habib Ali is grandfather of Anam and Yasir. Mrs. Habib Ali is grandmother of Anam and Yasir. Students, I hope that this topic will clear to you. If you have any question, you can ask. Again and again, I am telling you, this is our third lecture, and from the first lecture, I am telling you that if there is any problem, you can ask question. I think it will clear to you, and hope it will clear to you all. And now it's time to give you homework. So students, the homework is, you all will make your family tree as you have discussed in this lecture, and I have shown a family tree also. You can make a family tree, and you all will make family trees, your family members' names. If you want to write the name, and then you will send me, and I will wait for your homework. So take care. अल्लाह हाफिज़. इंशाल्लाह मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट हमारे लेक्चर में.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.